Welcome back to the channel. So today we're talking about something almost all of us have obsessed over at some point, our hair. Whether you're dreaming of longer, stronger, thicker, or just plain healthier hair, I've got 7 game-changing hacks to share with you. And these aren't just random tips from the internet. These are tried and true secrets that I personally live by. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First up is the powerhouse of natural hair care, aloe vera. You've probably heard it's great for your skin, but did you know it can do amazing things for your hair too? This quick scalp treatment is loaded with folic acid and vitamins that strengthen hair and help prevent thinning. Here's how to make it work. Cut a fresh aloe leaf, scoop out that gel, and for an added moisture boost, mix it with a bit of coconut or olive oil. Massage it right into your scalp and let it soak for about an hour. Then rinse with a mild shampoo. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week and just wait. You'll be amazed at how fresh, full, and healthy your scalp and hair feel. Here's a surprising hack you'll want to try. Aspirin in your shampoo. Every 2 weeks, crush 2 aspirin into your regular shampoo. Why? Because aspirin contains salicylic acid, which breaks down product buildup at the follicle. Clogged follicles is a known cause of hair loss. This little boost will make your hair pop with shine and feel so much lighter. Just lather up, rinse thoroughly, and let that shine take over. This next one is a question I get all the time. What's the secret when your hair feels dry and lifeless? Here's the twist. You'd think it's all about oil, but actually, the best way to revive dry hair is protein. And one of the best natural sources, eggs. Whisk up 2 to 3 eggs, depending on your hair length, massage it from roots to ends, then pop on a shower cap and relax for 20 minutes. Shampoo as usual, and you won't believe how soft and hydrated your hair feels. Hack number 4, ditch the tight ponytails, save your hair follicles. Now this might surprise you, but one of the biggest hair growth blockers, tight ponytails. Pulling your hair back too tightly can stunt follicle growth and cause long-term thinning. If you've been noticing hair fall or slow growth, it's time to rethink the pony. Opt for looser styles or wear it down whenever possible. You'll thank yourself later. Hack 5, instant shine with an apple cider vinegar rinse. Next up, if you want a natural way to bring serious shine, try an apple cider vinegar rinse. After shampooing, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water and pour it over your hair. Let it sit for a minute, rinse, and get ready for the shine. Not only does it add gloss, but it balances your scalp's pH and gently removes any buildup, leaving your hair lighter and bouncier. Try this once a week. It's quick, easy, and super effective. Hack 6, rice water rinse for strength and smoothness. Rice water is a centuries-old trick from Japan that's packed with amino acids and vitamins for hair strength. Here's how to make it. Rinse half a cup of uncooked rice, soak it in 2 to 3 cups of water for 30 minutes, then strain the water. After shampooing, use it as a final rinse. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse with cool water. Do this once a week and prepare for silky, manageable hair that feels stronger with every wash. Hack 7, eat for healthier, thicker hair. Finally, remember, healthy hair starts from within. If you want stronger, more vibrant hair, make sure you're getting enough protein, think chicken, fish, or beans, and foods rich in vitamins A, B, and C, like eggs, spinach, and sweet potatoes. And if dryness is an issue, try a DIY hair mask with bananas, honey, and a little coconut oil. It's simple, super nourishing, and leaves your hair beautifully soft and healthy looking. So there you have it, 7 powerful hacks to give your hair the love it deserves. Give one or all of these a try, and remember, hair care is a journey. Results take time, but stick with it, and you'll see a difference. If you try any of these tips or have questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how these work for you. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more beauty, hair, and anti-aging tips. Until next time, take care of those strands and stay fabulous. To continue to more hair videos, click the videos on the screen.